Looking for the best drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 3. X Pro Limitless 5. The XPR Limitless 5 is a cutting-edge drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. With advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance technology, this drone features a built-in laser that scans your flight path, allowing it to navigate effortlessly around obstacles. With an impressive 3 flight range, you can explore further than ever with confidence. Equipped with GPS precision, the Limitless 5 tracks and records your flight with real-time on-screen data, ensuring a seamless flying experience. Its return-to-home feature guarantees a safe return to your takeoff point at the touch of a button, even in situations of low battery or signal loss. Enjoy extended flights with a powerful battery that offers up to 30 minutes of flying time per charge. The Limitless 5 is powered by robust brushless motors, providing reduced noise and enhanced control for a smoother experience. Capture stunning 4K Ultra HD video with its smooth 3-axis gimbal, which ensures pro-quality footage. Enhanced electronic image stabilization delivers added stability. While dual cameras allow for versatile shooting angles, you can easily view and share your content via wireless transfer to your smartphone. The drone's intuitive gesture control and dynamic follow-me technology make capturing your moments effortless. Engage surround mode for captivating point-of-interest orbit, putting you in the frame beautifully. Priced at $649.99, the XPR Limitless 5 is an exceptional choice for those looking to explore the skies with style and ease. Number 2. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 offers an exhilarating FPV flight experience, bringing your aerial adventures to life like never before. With DJI Goggles 3 featuring HD micro OLED displays and low video latency, you can immerse yourself in the action while enjoying real-view picture-in-picture for enhanced situational awareness without removing the goggles. Capture stunning visuals with crisp 4K 60 frames per second HDR video and a remarkable 155-degree ultra-wide-angle field of view, perfect for low-altitude high-speed flying. The upgraded 1/1.3 image sensor expands the dynamic range, delivering exceptional performance even in low-light conditions. The intuitive RC Motion 3 remote control allows you to perform breathtaking flying acrobatics with a single push, including front and back flips, sideways rolls, and 180-degree drifts. Built-in propeller guards provide additional protection, making the Avatar 2 lighter and more agile for showcasing your flying skills. When you need to reposition, turtle mode allows the drone to flip itself back into takeoff position, getting you airborne quickly. Equipped with binocular fisheye visual positioning sensors, the Avatar 2 enhances stability and safety for low-altitude and indoor flights. Add Sky VFX with the Light Cut app, and utilize one-tap edit to create engaging aerial footage effortlessly. With a maximum flight time of 23 minutes and PD fast charging capabilities, the Avatar 2 lets you return to the skies quickly. Its robust DJI 4 video transmission provides up to 13 km of video transmission distance, ensuring you can fully immerse yourself in each flight. Priced at $489, the Avatar 2 is perfect for drone enthusiasts eager to explore the skies with style and confidence. Number 1. DJI A3S. The DJI A3S is a revolutionary dual-camera drone designed specifically for travel photography enthusiasts, featuring a robust 1-inch CMOS primary camera alongside a 70mm medium telephoto camera. This drone captures stunning landscapes and portraits with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. Each camera supports the innovative free panorama feature, enabling you to select flexible shooting ranges and create breathtaking panoramic shots by seamlessly stitching multiple images together. With 4K 60 frames per second HDR video capabilities and a remarkable 50 maps resolution, the DJI Air 3's ensures every aerial moment cut is immortalized in exquisite detail. New highlights like nightscape obstacle sensing and next-gen smart RTH enhances safety during nighttime photography, giving you peace of mind while exploring. The drone boasts an impressive 45-minute flight time and a 20 km video transmission range, allowing you to capture long uninterrupted flights. Its Vision Assist feature offers a comprehensive downward view along with front, back, left and right perspectives to help you navigate your surroundings with ease. Equipped with advanced features like Active Track 360 degrees waypoint flight and cruise control, the Air 3s optimizes your creative possibilities. The new subject focusing feature ensures your subject stays in sharp focus, allowing you to concentrate on composition and camera movement. With 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can easily send files to your smartphone or computer. Even when the drone is powered off, the battery charging hub supports PD fast charging and power accumulation for maximum efficiency. Priced at $199, the DJI Air 3s is a must-have for any serious aerial photographer. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Drones 2025. We hope you found the perfect aerial companion for your adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.